She's a pretty good whistler, isn't she? One of the things that we didn't mention, and it's because it's not on the schedule, is she'll be giving a really intensive 5-hour whistling workshop. And you'll have to get here early. It starts at 4:30 in the morning on Thursday. And it'll go to the start of school, so you have to get here early, and we'll see if you're serious about whistling. You can learn from one of the very best whistlers.
I have this compulsion, which I've come to think of as a Canadian compulsion, to like constantly state the obvious, like he's joking, or apologize for things I didn't do. It's really problematic. But what is one thing that the reason I'm whistling is because we normally play with a band, and we haven't done duo shows in a long time, so this feels quite scary to me for that reason as well. But so you can imagine our ripping guitar player playing instead of me whistling. When I whistle, it's supposed to be a shredding guitar solo. And if one of you is a guitar shredder, maybe we can enlist you for the show on Friday.
We'll do one more, and then we'll get on with our days. And I was serious about what I said. Just any questions at all. Or if we really want to make ourselves, I know that there's some young writers in here. So if you're a songwriter or a poet or just any kind of, and you just want someone to throw some ideas at, we're good for that. So come find us. We'd love to see what you're working on.
This one's a friendship song.
All right. One of the things about being professionals is working out small disputes in real time, just like that. You may not realize, but we just had a violent argument about what song we're going to play. No, we didn't. But I was playing a different song, and she thought we were playing. And she has won. We're going to do the song she wanted to do. This is called Trampoline. I've been stung by the ride, so I'm floating like a bee. Floating home from the world away, things are clear to me. The spring is coming back to the land. It's only 4 degrees out, but I feel it's 2. Find the moon. The stars are little pinpricks, but neither of us is wounded, neither of us is sick. Oh, everybody's wounded, everybody's sick. I say that neither one of us is wounded, neither of us is sick. We're gonna be so cool to you, we're gonna be so mean. I'm gonna catch you when you're falling through. I'm gonna throw on you like a trampoline. Throw me like a trampoline, skip me like a stone, shake me like a tambourine, and I let out better stuff from how the punches I've been thrown, it's our living to me. Dream me up a palomino, up and down on my plane, and I see as a shadow moving across the lake. I step into our time, daddy. Hey, don't be late, I'm ready. We're gonna be so cool to you, we're gonna be so mean. Catch you when you fall and through. I'm throwing you like a trampoline. Oh, 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 yeah.
got some spine. We got some trust. We got some wine. Oh, we don't seek shelter. We just won't tell. Give us just a little time. Just a little time. Just a little time. Just a little time. We're gonna be so good to you. We're gonna be so mean. I'm gonna catch you your father. I'ma throw you like a train.